I am Satish Kumar Perepu. I work in Ericsson Research Artificial Intelligence Division, Chennai. Today I am here to discuss my work titled Intelligent Question and Answering Using Knowledge Representation for Managed Services. The work is co-authored by Dr. M. Sarvana, who is also my colleague at Ericsson Research. Usually, service companies spend a lot of time to handle customer problems and they need to solve them in a shorter times to maximize customer experience. The service engineers spend a lot of time in searching through documentation to get information. So normally people tend to use Elasticsearch, which is not efficient way to extract information. And so people tend to use alternative ways like searching through knowledge graph and developing a questioning answering solution. However, if I have many huge number of documents, the knowledge graph construction will be very difficult, and also searching through the knowledge graph is not efficient. So in this work, we proposed a solution to extract information from knowledge graph in an efficient fashion and in a very less time consuming fashion, as well as to come with a novel questioning answering tool. So this is the document retrieval model. So I'm giving only a brief details on this document retrieval model. People can refer to my paper for additional information. So the document, so now what we are doing is we are constructing the knowledge graph. On the top layer, we are using a categorization model, simple document categorization model. And the second level, what we are using is a combined loss function model uh, constructed by summing the loss function of topic modeling as shown in here and summing the loss function of categorization model. So by summing both these things, we can come with a novel document categorizer come topic modeling model. By using that, we can obtain this necessary information in a faster, efficient fashion. So you can refer to my paper more on this. So what we collected is we collected all the documents in the database which we need to search. We label each sentence in the document with the categorized document label, because like normally such query will be of like one sentence to two sentences long. So that's why we label each and every sentence with the document label available. So further, we use this combined document model to construct the knowledge graph in this form, and the leaf node will be the documents thing. So whenever any such query comes, we will be using this combined documentation model to identify, extract the necessary keywords, as well as to come with like categorization, which category the query will fall into. So in this way, we will be searching only the subset of model instead of searching all the model. So we can get an obtain efficient results by using this document retrieval model. So now, in so many cases, it's not only necessary that we will be giving the documents to the service engineers, because the service engineer, like if a document is very lengthy, the service engineers has to spend so much time in scanning through this document. So why can't we give direct answers to the questions whatever the service engineer is asking? So for that, we used a BERT model, but a BERT model is a generic one, so we need to do a fine-tuned BERT model. So for fine-tuning the BERT model, we require a huge corpus of question and answers, which is very difficult to obtain in so many domains because it is also involves cost. So what we did is like we collected the limited questioning answering data set and we posted as a classification data set using clustering thing. So once the clustering thing is achieved, we fine-tune the BERT model on this classification data set, and we what we observed is we observed a good results, which we will discuss in thing. So to test the proposed methods, we collected 4,200 documents for a specific Ericsson product. So for some of these documents can be really very long, like 300, 400 pages and 2,000 pages also. And we also collected a 600 set of questioning answers for the same product from domain experts. And the documents are from single domain. And we evaluated a proposed method by consulting 5 domain experts. Like we asked 5 domain experts how satisfied with the tool based on the query they entered and based on the answer they received. So the results are shown here. So you can see the proposed method is almost giving good results when compared to the only classification. We are seeing almost like 10 to 20% more improvement in accuracy when compared to only classification, and 30% accuracy improvement in accuracy only for the Elasticsearch. And also you can see the document retrieval time, it took only 3 seconds, where the classification method is giving 8 seconds. So the proposed method is works better, it gives efficient results and also in the faster time. Yeah, coming to the fine-tuned BERT results, here also we observe the same increase in accuracy when compared with the BERT model and the fine-tuned BERT model. We are saying 20 to 10 to 20% increase in accuracies. So we proposed a method to help service engineers to extract useful documents. we proposed a method, and also we an additional method to answer service engineering queries is proposed to further using fine-tuned BERT model. So future actions includes how the theoretical the loss function, how it will behave for a huge number of documents, and also what is the influence of this alpha beta values. We need to study that. So the thank you.